This video explains about item maintenance in AutoCount Accounting 2.2. We have the two method, single item and batch edit. Now, I will show the first method, single item first. First, go to Store. Select Stock Item Maintenance. Select on the item that you want, then click on Edit. The classification you can predefine, since this falls under construction materials, so select 005. Go to Other, select the measurement. This measurement is optional. Since this pertains to construction materials, consolidating e-invoices is not allowed. The Must Generate e-invoice option must be selected. Click OK. You can check again to confirm that all the information has already been saved. Now I will show the second method, batch edit, easy item. First, go to Store. Select Stock Item Maintenance. Click on Find. Tick on Item Type. Type the keyword and click on Search. Click on Check All. Then click on Easy Item. Click the first button to select all items. Click the second button to edit items. Tick on Classification. Select the code. Tick on Measurement. Then, select the most suitable measurement for this item. Click on Apply. Then click on Save. You can check again to confirm that all the information has already been saved. The same applies to the other items as well. And that's all for method of item maintenance in AutoCount version 2.2. By following these steps, you're ready to manage e-invoices efficiently and stay compliant. For more tips, like, share, and subscribe. Need more info? Scan the QR code to join our community group. If you want to buy our product, you can contact 0162-013628 for inquiries. If you want to ask a question about the system, you can contact 010-3803628 for support team. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.